Hello everyone. Have you ever tasted traditional leaf idli? Basically, idlis are very healthy. Like they are just steamed and we don't add any oil and something. And mostly, idlis are considered to be very healthy breakfast. And if you prepare these healthy idlis in these sal leaves or patravalli, truly they are very healthy, and above all they are very tasty and delicious because the flavor from those leaves that adds bit more taste to the idlis. So these idlis are very easy to prepare, the same process but just with a twist. So whenever you have guests around, just give it a try with these traditional leaf idlis. Truly they'll be mesmerized and they'll ask for more. So why late? Let us start and get into the recipe. So first of all, take a mixing bowl and add chopped onions and chilies. I have taken medium size onion and 4 chilies and 1 tablespoon of cumin or jeera, and then add the idli batter into the onion and give it a nice stir. So after stirring it, add little bit of salt to taste, and then again give it a nice stir and put it aside. Now coming on to the sal leaves or patravalli, these will be available in any supermarket. So take these leaves and remove the threads, like they are visible, right, white color ones. So remove them and separate those small leaves like this. Yes, now take it out how many of them you want and put it aside. Now I have taken plain glasses over here. If you take some design glasses, you won't get the exact shape. So take these plain glasses and insert these sal leaves or patravalli into the glasses. If that doesn't make a complete circle or round in shape, you can take some other small leaves and then fill those gaps. See, for this glass the leaf is sufficient, but here it didn't fill the bottom line. So I have taken small leaves and again I have closed those gaps in the middle, and that's it. Now add the idli batter which we have mixed with onions and chilies and cumin. So add those, but remember you should fill the batter only till the glass 3/4 only. You should not fill up to the neck of the glass. So after filling 3/4 of the glass with the idli batter, you take them and then place idli cooker on the stove and turn on the flame and add 1 full glass of water, that is 200 ml of water, and then place the bottom stand of the idli stand, and then place these glasses opposite in direction, and then close the lid and put the flame on high and cook or steam the idlis for 10 minutes at a stretch. Now after 10 minutes you will get this puffed leaf idlis. See, they are nicely cooked and they are puffed and fluffy. So see, now I'm going to remove them out of the glass. It's very easy. Once you cool down for 2 minutes, it will be very easy to remove those leaf idlis out of the glass. See, like this they'll just come out so easily. You don't need to grease those with oil, either the glass or the leaves. You don't need to grease it with oil. So see how nice it is. Basically everybody like to have idlis because they are healthy, and above all, when these idlis are wrapped in these leaves, truly it's very tempting to eat them all. Like if you wrap these idlis in these sal leaves, that adds the extra taste and flavor to the idlis. These idlis are different from the regular idlis. They are very tasty and they just have a twist of adding these onions and chilies into it. Now I'll show you how to remove these. See, they are very easy. After 2 minutes of cooling or removing them at a stretch out of the steamer, after 2 minutes, see, it's very easy. Just roll down the leaf down the idli circle so that you will get those leaves very easily. See, I didn't grease those with oils also, but it's very easy to remove them. And see, when you cut these into small circles like these, see how fluffy and how spongy those idlis are. Truly they are very tempting and also fluffy and spongy. Now these alone are very tasty. If you have them, you truly will love it. But when you add this, or when you just dip into that coconut chutney and eat it, truly that is very tasty and yummy. You can serve these with coconut chutney or coriander chutney or peanut chutney or tomato chutney or whatever choice of chutney you like. Just Try this traditional sal leaf idli and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Till then, enjoy this traditional leaf idli. Bye bye.